idea. Good morning, you guys. So today is Thursday. Tomorrow's the last day until spring break, but it won't be posted, just saying. So don't get confused or anything in the comments like, oh wait, your spring break is so late. Yeah, and also we're gonna be posting the Punta Cana vlogs way after. We're like my mom, cause she actually wants to have like fun in the vacation, not just edit, because that's what she does every day. Say good morning.
Morning.
So yeah, we're heading to school right now, and before we get on with the vlog today, the show that it goes to, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and also comment below what other videos you would like to see next. So see you guys later. Peace. Hello guys, welcome back to our vlog channel. It is 2 o'clock and I'm on my way to, I think, Marshall and Burlington, or Burlington, I don't know how you pronounce that, but yesterday I went shopping for our vacation and I got two shorts for Kevin. Guys, comment down below if you have a teenager that you buy your stuff for then and then always too tight, it's too small, even if it's the same size that he always wear, another type of clothes, and I don't know. I got two shorts, really cute, well, really, I think they're cute, and with I bought two t-shirts that match with both, and came out like it was too tight and the other one was uncomfortable, and then I'm on my way to return it to see if I can find another thing. And guys, we are leaving in 2 days and nobody in my family are packed. Nobody. I don't know when we are gonna pack. Yesterday Keilly is supposed to pack, but we have a little thing. Well, she doesn't feel good and she say, Mom, I want to do a video for my channel packing. And I say, well, don't do any video, just pack and it's okay. But she say, no, Mama, I'm tired, I don't feel like pack today. Maybe I'm gonna do it tomorrow after school and maybe I will feel better. And I say, okay, whatever you want, Mama, because I didn't pack yet. You know, how can I say, okay, go pack if I didn't pack? How are you gonna teach your kids eat vegetable if you are not eating, or you don't eat vegetables? How are you gonna teach that? How are you gonna teach your kids, oh, don't smoke or don't do this or that if you are doing that? That's what I think, but everybody's different. I always say be organized, because I used to be so organized at the point that it was annoying. It was annoying. People, like my sister came to my house and say, one day she helped me to pack and she say, because I want things that way and this way, and she said, oh, no, you too much, you do it by yourself. My mom used to help me like doing laundry sometimes and do that, and she fold the things certain way. Or I have all my, how you say, hangers. At that time I used to have all of them, each one, for example, for Kevin one color, Keilly one color, Kendry one color, and I like the way that everything has to look straight, or this way or this way. And my mom, I love her and she always helped me, but she just doing the way that she thought it was okay. But it was okay, but I was so annoying. If they helping you, why you so okay? I didn't say anything because I feel bad. They are helping me, you know, they helping me. But at that time I was so like, I couldn't see a glass on my sink, and Like at night, if I saw a glass just with water and in the sink, I couldn't sleep. It was too much. Now I don't have time for. I feel bad because I want everything like perfect. Well, in my house it can be like that. We are so busy. I always doing something, and I wish I can have the time for God the house the way that I dream and I like. It's no expensive stuff. It's not like luxury, how Kendry say luxury. I don't know how he say that. I love organized things. I don't know if you want to see, comment down below if in some blogs you would like to see me organizing my shoes or organizing my closet. I don't know, organizing stuff. If you like to do that, you know, it was funny because my sister, she watched YouTube forever, and I used to watch YouTube a lot, but just organizing videos, cleaning videos, transforming like laundry room, kitchen, bathroom, whatever, all that kind of videos. And my sister, in the other hand, she loved to see beauty videos, makeup videos, and like fashion videos, all that kind of videos, and blog videos. And I used to watch Diamond, oh I forgot the name, it was a long time. She's a mom of one little kid, and I think she got another one now. I don't know, it's a long time ago that I don't see her videos, but I love the way that she say organize the pantry, matching things. I love those type of videos. And maybe if you like those type of video, I can do once in a week. We are trying to load in vlogs on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. And for the main channel, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And for Keilly's channel on Sunday. And Kevin, he's a mess. He loading videos, whatever, I don't know, whatever he wants. But he's really busy. But anyway, I love those type of videos. And comment down below if you like to see those type of videos. Not every day. And also, some of you comment, oh, your mom is taking the blog channel. Guys, it's a family channel. It's not the kids blog channel. It's our family blog channel. And most of the time they are in the school. I like to show what I cook or what I'm doing, or if I buy something for my hair, because I love those type of videos. Our followers are kids, and maybe they just want to see just the kids, but it's our real life. And in our real life we are 5, and plus my sister and her family, plus my mom and my dad and my friends. And it's everything that happened around our family. That's what we showing in this type of videos. In the main channel you can see other things, challenge, whatever, but in this one it's our real life. And in our real life, I do laundry, I do my house, I clean my house, I cook, I pick up the kids, go grocery, or order food, or all those type of things. That's why people say, oh, why you don't open a YouTube channel for you? Believe me, if you want to see me on some video, you just come to the blog and you can see what I'm doing and all that. But I can't handle one more channel at this point. I can't, it's too much. Also because my husband, I wish he can be more in our blogs, but he's always working. And also, when he is not working, he is with the kids at baseball games or baseball practice. But well, it is what it is. Our life is like yours. See you guys later. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back. Here I am with the kids.
Hello, hello, hello.
How was the school?
Good.
Amazing.
Really?
Like it was just normal. Like nothing bad happened.
And that's good. What you got for lunch?
Chips.
Chips. That was your lunch?
And 3 juice boxes.
3 juice boxes?
Yeah.
What about you, Kendry?
Gravy,
Gravy?
Oh, that on the chicken was gravy.
mashed potatoes,
They give you
and
mashed.
just like turkey. Like this, not turkey, but like
It's like this chicken that looks like fish.
it's like this ground beef that's shaped like a fish.
It's
Not
disgusting.
like a fish.
Wait. Ground beef that look like a fish?
No, I don't know what it's
Ooh,
called.
like when you cook
turkey
fish.
beef. Or, no, I don't know.
So, what is your plan for today?
Well,
Packing,
yeah. I hate packing.
exercise.
I do not like
That
packing. Mom, wait.
no. What you say?
me?
You hate packing. I don't like that word.
That's why I just changed it to I don't like.
Oh, I didn't hear
And then
that
you
part.
stopped doing it.
Oh, I didn't hear that part. Okay, repeat.
I don't like packing nor unpacking.
Me,
I dislike it.
I dislike it also
A lot.
a lot,
Very much.
but I dislike more unpacking than packing. Which one is the worst? Well, most of the time I unpacking your luggage.
To be honest, packing.
Mine's not.
Because unpacking, you just have to put in the ropa sucia.
They don't understand what you say.
Well, when you're unpacking, all you have to do is put in the laundry and that's it.
That's
Yeah,
right. But not all the clothes sometimes.
Sometimes.
But comment down below, how can you ask that which one is your like
Which one is your favorite? I know a lot of people don't like it at all, but like, which one would you rather do? Unpack or pack?
I would pack.
I would pack.
You just said you're gonna unpack.
I mean, yeah, unpack. Oops.
okay, your dad is leaving today
At what time?
What time?
after work.
Is
It's
he
like-
gonna say bye to us?
Yeah.
How long is he going for? He's going the whole week.
He's come back Friday and we come back Thursday.
We come back Thursday?
Yeah.
Oh, tomorrow in science, we're dissecting
What is that?
a frog, a pig, a fish.
They're not bringing a real pig.
Yes, they are.
They're gonna
He
open.
already has it in his class.
What you gonna do?
What-
Open
what-
the belly?
What's your science teacher?
Mr. Ones. He's new this year. Yeah, he's new this year. He brought a pig.
He
And you guys
alive?
You guys are gonna kill it?
No, it's already dead. It was in the mama thing, and then they killed it to get, like, not them. Like, someone killed it to get food, and then the baby was in the stomach. And then they took it to use it as a recycle because it was already dead.
Recycling?
Yeah, like using it
While
for
Kaylee's at school, I'm gonna be playing some Fortnite.
So yeah. Let me laugh. Ha
Why,
ha
Mom?
ha.
Why? Explain to me why.
Don't start a game,
No,
okay?
explain to me.
But yeah, I'm excited to see a baby pig.
You can't explain to me why I can't.
Because it's Friday and you have to go to school.
But I don't.
Because
have
we
any
leave it
work
on
to
Saturday.
Mom, I have an idea.
What is
Okay, so you're saying basically when I have an idea, it's not a good one?
No, I
You're
didn't
like-
say that. Because you just jump like I have an idea. Like
Dude, I was thinking about
I'm scared of your idea sometimes.
Exactly, because you think my ideas
No.
are bad.
No, why? Why you say that?
Because you're like, "Ooh."
No.
So are you ready to hear it?
Okay.
We're going to do the no talking challenge.
No talking challenge.
Yeah, we did it before. I
Yeah,
don't know
but
why
it
you
was
look so
like
confused.
it was like chopping, not
Yeah.
talking, chopping.
But
challenge.
as you see, we have no snack and
But we have a lot at home.
no, we do not.
Yeah.
We had not went shopping since the last time we came back from Orlando.
because you know why?
Huh.
Because everything that is in the pantry, you don't like it. What you wanna do? Like,
Like no talking. Like we have to like.
okay, now I'm gonna
like
be,
we-
I'm
like
gonna
we-
be driving
no,
and you don't talking. Like,
Like you have to get. Like we have to give you hints on what we want.
since now until the end, until tonight.
Sure.
Yes.
These guys are so smart because I think they want to go to some place.
So 3,
No, I didn't say yes.
2.
I didn't say
It's a mix, so mom can't say no to. So ready?
no.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, I see you. You and Kendry. I can see you. Well, let me see for here. You and Kendry. Kendry and you. Okay, you guys. You. You had like. Okay, you. Kendry and you guys. Love me. I know you don't love me. What is that? You clean yourself? Hard? Hard? Love? What happened? You are bad. Exercise? You guys want 2, 3 eat. Well, where you wanna eat? Bell's Outlet? No. Oh my god. I can see what you say. You wanna eat, I know that. I know that for sure. But what? Well, you hungry, you wanna eat? I have to know what it is. A bowl. Taco Bell! Okay. I like it.
I want it. I get it. I like it. I want it.
What happened now? What happened? What's wrong? What happened? Okay, you want Taco Bell. We are on our way to Taco Bell. Then you have to tell me what you want. Ooh, that's gonna be hard. What is... Oh, Kendry just want like, how you say, cinnamon twist. What? Cinnamon twist. Both 1 and 1. Okay, I know you a drink. Which one? Okay, the how you call that? A squirrel? No, a squirrel. Okay, I know what you mean, but I don't know how to say that in English. Frizzy. What else? Taco. Oh, I know, quesadilla. Chicken quesadilla. 1 and 1. Okay, that's it. Two quesadillas? No. Kendrick, what you have in your mouth? The quesadilla already? Because you were like... Okay. Bye. Now we are going to Taco Bell. They want quesadillas. They so smart. Keilly is so smart. I got an idea. She just wanna eat. She just need to figure out a way to eat outside the house. And she just say, I have an idea. I have a video idea. And that's so smart. Hashtag smart. Bye guys. See you guys later.
Bye.
They got the taco. They got what they want. Thank you. Thank you. They're so good. That's good. Okay, guys, we have the frizzy. We have the, I choose the flavor because I couldn't find whatever they said about the flavor. And I choose the same. I'm gonna go this way. We have the quesadilla. Well, they have the quesadillas, they have the cinnamon twist, and they ready to eat. And see you guys later. I hope they don't do anything else because I really don't have time for do a challenge today, but we will see. Bye, guys. And they just wanna eat, and that's a good way to get whatever they want. Bye, guys. Okay, you're welcome. Love you. Bye, guys. What? You hungry? What you want? Tú, sí. Are you hot? Me. Flour. Water. Oh, hot. Oh, hot fry. If I have hot fry in the house for you. Wait. I don't know. Maybe I have some hiding. Check. Okay. Check on the pantry.
Yo espero que tú sueltes el brazo. ¿Oíste? Y que corra bastante.
I love you so much.
Trata de correr one mile every day. Ajá.
Dude, my
Voy a tu
I
hermano
miss
también.
you guys so
Sí.
much right now.
Voy a tu hermano. Love you.
Love you, Dad.
Bye.
What's up, guys? So I just took a shower, and so about the no talking thing, we're not gonna continue that, commence that, because we forgot that Kaylee had to film a video, my dad was leaving for Cuba, and we just didn't want to lie to you guys about not talking. So we're gonna do that in a separate, not vlog, but video later, I think. Yeah, I'm just gonna say that real quick, and do you want me to end the vlog? You want me to end the vlog? Yeah. Okay. And I might as well just end the vlog right here, cause it's the end of the day, and
Late.
yeah, it's like 9 o'clock, 9:15, around there. And yeah, but I'm gonna end the vlog right here. If you like the vlog, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'm about to go eat dinner. So yeah, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Peace. See ya.